Go ahead and tap on a question mark.
What is the best food for pigeons? What is the best food for pigeons?
Breadcrumbs.
Excellent. What do dogs love to chew? What do dogs love to chew?
Bones.
Yes. Some cats like milk. Some cats like... Some cats like milk. Some cats like... Fish.
Keep it up.
What do hens sit on? What do hens sit on? Eggs.
Great job.
What do you usually put in mousetraps? What do you usually put in mousetraps? Cheese.
Way to go.
Goats are known to give the most healthy... Goats are known to give the most healthy... Milk.
Good thinking.
What does the cow give? What does the cow give? Milk.
Nice.